All right, doing a quick review of exponential growth and exponential decay situations, equations, and I'm also going to throw in real quick here the growth and decay rate, because that's kind of our last big thing we're covering and can be a little bit confusing. So for the first one here, an item cost $9 in 2010. The price increased by 1.5% each year. So first off, it's going up by 1.5% each year, which means that 1 year after 2010, the new value will be 101.5% of the value it was in 2010. You are adding 1.5% to the 100% it already cost. Once I have that, I can switch this to the growth factor, and I can write my equation, which would be $9 times 1.015 to the x power. So again, growth rate, growth factor. This problem has a growth rate of 1.5%, which means it has a growth factor of 1.015. Because again, going from year to year, if you're increasing by 1.5%, then in a year it is worth 101.5% of what it was. And from there, I'm just going to plug in the value I need to solve part B. So it says I have 9 times 1.015, and then in 2030, that is 20 years after 2010. So instead of x, I'm going to put in the value of 20 because it's 20 years later. And if I do that on my calculator, I'm going to get 12.12 or $12.12. For the second problem here, the yearly profits of the company is $25,000. Profits have been decreasing by 6% per year. So now, this is a decay problem because it's going down. The decay rate is 6%. That means that they're losing 6% of income or profits per year, which also means that they are keeping 94%. So they're losing 6 and they're keeping the 94. So my decay factor is going to be the other 94%, which would turn into 0.94. So again, I'm losing 6%, I'm keeping 94%, so my decay factor is going to be 0.94. Then I can write my equation. So I'm going to start at 25,000, multiply it by my my decay factor, because I'm going to keep 94% of my profits every year to the x power. There's my equation. Then it says, what will be the profits in 8 years? So 8 years from now, I plug in 8 into the x place. If I do that on my calculator quick, I get 15,239 and 22 cents.